We're at the bird sanctuary, and you're watching ShaneManTV.
Driving up and down the streets this morning before I picked Bob up. Had a couple minutes to spare and I found this, so we just unloaded at the scrap yard. And we're gonna load this baby up. Well, we got a good one here, folks. Look at all that beautiful, beautiful sheet metal. Oh man. Oh, you want to be unlocked?
Yeah.
He's so demanding, isn't he? It's like having a work wife. There's a tackle box.
It's probably got my fishing equipment from where I got the reel.
It could be.
Ooh, look at that nice cord over there in that vacuum.
Cord. Oh yeah, I see it over there. See that?
Look at this piece of steel in there, man. Look at that piece of steel.
Oh my gosh! I didn't see that. Holy, there's an I-beam in there or something.
Yeah.
See that?
See that?
Holy cow! Good eye, eagle eye.
Piece of brass.
There's a piece of brass. Yep, brass right there. Well, finally we caught a break, huh?
Yeah. That's because we took Blue home. He was scared.
Yeah. Or blue. All right, I'm gonna set up the tripod. We'll start working on this. There you go. You need a flag. Well, it says Badlands on it too.
Is that like bad news?
I don't know. We should put that on the van though.
Yeah.
With the badass button. Can you see us? Can you hear us? All right, I'm filming at this angle just to see if Bob will fall in. That's a pretty good angle. Boy, I can't get it out. Look at this, the mussels. The mussels from Brussels. Or the mussels from Moline. Mussels from Moline, probably. Would you like my help, or should I just watch?
All you can do, man. It's heavy, isn't it?
I'm drowning! Quick update on the truck while we're watching this. If you remember, the truck was having trouble getting fuel. It died out going up a hill. It just had no power at all. It was not getting fuel at the end of the day. I finally got a call back after 5 days from the mechanic who said it was a brake problem, believe it or not. He said that it was a brake problem and that the back brakes would cost $450 and the front brakes would be $500. And by the time it was all said and done, it would be $1,000 to fix that truck. And I said, "Are you kidding me? Are you talking about the correct vehicle?" And he said, "Sure enough." He goes, "Yeah." He goes, "I revved that truck engine up to 100 RPMs, took it down the road. There's nothing wrong with your engine. It's your brakes." So needless to say, we picked up the truck and took it away from them because they obviously don't know what they're talking about, and they're just trying to be crooks. So a friend of mine is going to take a look at it now, and we'll see what happens. But Bob and I are currently using it. All right, so we got some brass ends. We got a couple handles. So we got some rebar or some rebar and some other metal pieces there, and a big piece of steel in that vacuum cleaner. Not a bad start to the night. Okay, we will see you tomorrow. We'll be back here tomorrow then. Okay, so we just had a kind of interesting experience. I'll call it a leave it to Bob experience. We pulled over for some scrap metal, and these guys come out of the house, and I could tell the house was vacant. And they look over at us. I said, "Hey, mind if we help ourselves to your scrap metal?" And what'd you say?
I said, "Got any more?"
Got any more? Not afraid to ask. Got any more? Yeah, we got a washer and dryer. Not sure if they work though.
Duh. Bingo.
Bingo. So not only do we get one of the, I think we got the dryer.
Yeah.
So we got the dryer. We're gonna go back tomorrow for the washer, but we stored some of the wood we got from the last place in there, and Bob even tried renting the garage from the guy. So, yeah, kind of funny.
Very good.
Yeah, good job, Bob. I keep them around for a reason, not just as good looks, you know.
Can I have my window down?
Yeah, you put your window down. We're hot. It's a nice piece. Bob's over there acting like an old woman, bitching about having to stop for a cord. Nah.
One of them shelf things.
Oh, one of those divider things? Yeah.
Guess who wanted one of those?
Benny?
No.
Oh. One of our viewers did, didn't they?
Yeah.
Alright, whichever viewer.
No, I know who it is. Don't worry about it.
Oh, see, he's got an attitude tonight. You see that? Oh, ow!
I think it hit my leg first.
No respect, this guy. No respect.
Hi.
Mind if we recycle your metal?
Yeah, go ahead. I just got it out.
All right, thank you.
You told me you had a washer and dryer to pick up.
All right. There you go. See? Because you can make me get out there from that box. It's a humidifier or a dehumidifier, whatever. It scrapped me.
You're gonna put that on my lap?
Why not? You can carry it, can't you? I just pulled over here so I could go get that, and he ran across the street and beat me to it. So just so everybody knows, that weed whacker is mine. I saw it first. All right, Bob, it's mine. I saw it first. All right, so we got ourselves like some type of a weight bench here. And an elliptical. Which would be really awesome if we had a truck. Looks like it's off the track. But, well, it's a total gym, huh? Well, I wonder if those. Well, there's no way we can take that one, I don't think. But you know what? We could actually keep. There might be some resale value in these pieces. Smaller ones, you know? People that break it or whatever.
Yeah.
Just a thought. That's it. Keep those separate for now, and then we'll check eBay and see if there's any value. Like that piece there, I bet you there's somebody looking for that right now. Found something out there.
Check this out, man.
Oh, nice. Chewed up chipper cables, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Who knows? We might be able to use them someday.
Tie you up with?
No, get you jump started.
What is going on, Shaniacs? How are you doing out there today? I hope you're doing well. I am heading down to pick up Bob, or not pick up Bob, but get with Bob. I'm gonna follow Bob down to the scrapyard with the van. We're gonna unload both vehicles, get a little payday, and then we're gonna go back and see if that other, the washer and other parts and pieces are still in that garage. The guy gave us permission just to open the garage door and take out the stuff we wanted. So that's awesome. So that is the plan. So you know what time it is.
Hi, everybody.
You ready to roll?
I'm ready to roll.
All right, you want to jump one? don't you go first? I'll follow you. Make sure you don't break down.
You can keep up? I got brake problems, you know.
Yeah, I know you got brake problems.
All right.
Alright guys, so Bob had 580 pounds in the truck for $33.35. I had, it's hard to see, I think 320 in the truck. Yeah, 320. And I had 320 in the truck for $18.40. And then we had $11.70 in short steel. So, not bad. We both got $25 each, and we're putting the rest in the kitty. And as you can see, the truck's running fine, so must be the brakes. So Bob and I just went back to get the washing machine because we picked up the dryer yesterday, and the guy is there, the landlord, homeowner, and he asked us if we would be willing to pick up a refrigerator. So I am running home to grab my dolly and heading back there. Bob's stayed back there taking off a door. So we're ending up with a refrigerator and a washing machine today, amongst other things. So I'm going to guess we're probably going to head back down to the scrapyard and do it one more time.
Hit me, baby, one more time.
Holy cow, are you making a mess?
I'm trying to make room.
Wow. Fumble.
How much room we needed, so clearing out stuff is good.
Yeah.
Because you got a refrigerator
Have you seen it? Is it full size or?
here. Yeah.
We'll put this one up first then. Come on, baby. Oh.
Stand it up.
Yep. I can get it, sorry. Come on, baby, walk with me. How's that look?
Pad underneath it too. You got carpet already?
What's that?
You got your carpet already?
No. I haven't done any shopping yet.
So we just left that job, picked up the refrigerator and the washing machine, and the guy says, "So you guys do cleanups too?" I'm like, "Yeah." He goes, "What would you charge me to clean out this garage?" And I mean, the garage there's nothing there. I mean, it's probably 20 minutes worth of work, and I'm thinking 20 bucks. We're already here, or whatever. And Bob, being the consummate salesman, says, what's it worth to you? And the guy says, 50 bucks. And Bob goes, how about 75? The guy says, oh, I think, he goes, I'll do it for 75. He goes, this is a pretty tight budget operation. I'm like, we'll do it for 50. So we're gonna go back tomorrow or sometime in the next couple days and do a clean out of the garage. So it'll give us 25 bucks each, which is awesome. So the truck is definitely making us money now. That's good. This is like the heaviest dolly on the planet. Oh, oh my gosh. Woo! Yippee-ki-yay! Movie lover! Hold on. Just gotta get the power. There we go. Hold, please. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold. Pull. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off, look out. Let's let her fall, let her fall. Beautiful. All right. Bob's gonna be mad that he didn't get to see the girls. Anyway, we got 2760. So that'll be about 10 or 11 bucks a piece. Not bad. 2760. For how long were we over there? An hour? So this is another house that's coming up on auction next week. The challenge with this property is that you cannot park on this side of the road. So you have to park over there, bring everything across. The other challenge is you can't park back there. You see me? There's a tax sale next week, and the bidding on this house starts at $750. And Bob and I are considering buying it simply for storage. But it does have a few drawbacks, such as parking. So the other challenge is that the property goes back to this garage, but it does not include the garage. So you can't park back here. But we could build some sheds here. Well, guys, I just got home and someone dropped off some stuff for me, apparently. Okay, then. Which I'm not, ungrateful. I'm happy for it, but it's just like, I'm sure the neighbors love this. Okay, well, might have to see if Bob and you can come over and get that tomorrow with the truck. Well, guys, we've got a beautiful night out here. I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in tonight. I've been having people do outros. This was the first time anyone's ever sent me an intro. So thank you, Hunter. I appreciate that. With the birds, that was very cool at the beginning. Thank you very much. If anyone wants to do an intro or an outro,
where you'd say you're watching ShaneManTV, or take care and see us at the next dumpster, email them to me at ShaneManTV@gmail.com, and maybe we'll use them on the show. Maybe not. Anyway, guys, take care of yourselves, everybody. We will definitely see you where? At the next dumpster, of course. Peace out and have a great day. Take care.